it was the law. It was the law. And they said that according to the law, such a woman must be stoned to death. The Bible is going on for this routine, and then we just like Lord now, we are not so no good, man. A person in the no God, but what in a conflicted is as a lot of pressure. Baba Lakaloma, the Bachika. What was the woman? Where are your accusers? Where are your accusers? Is there anyone condemning you? In a woman, I have consent in marching and all society level. But you know, I am concerned, guy, but he accusers. Is there anyone condemning you? That was what he was concerned about. Where are your accusers? And he said to him, what the day that I condemn you, go and see no more. But anyone who believes in Jesus Christ is set free from everything that the law of Moses cannot set him free from. Nabalina okhulula kuYesu Kristu ukhulula kuyo yonke into umthetho kaMoses ongazithini umkhulula kuyo. Umthetho kaMoses ungakwazi ukukhulula lo muntu kwintoni kwisono nakukufa. Kodwa ngoku nabani na okholelwayo kuYesu. Le nto umthetho ungakwazi ukukhulula kuyo uYesu unako ukukhulula kuyo. Le nto umthetho ungakwazi ukukhulula kuyo uYesu unako ukukhulula kuyo. uYesu unako ukukhulula kuyo. uYesu unako there is a practicality now. Here is a woman. There is a charge. There is a court case. Are we together? When we come in the presence of Jesus Christ, the accusers disappeared. And the accusers, that's the sentence that umthetho kaMoses uthini ukumaccusa nosisi. Now, how see we issue? This is what we are going to hear. Later do I condemn you? Go and see no more. Nosisi wakumane encounter face-to-face negrace kathika. She had a face-to-face encounter with the grace of God. And the grace of God did what the law could not do. This woman was set free from sin and death. And that's no reason there. And that's no reason maybe the devil is continuing to accuse you guys. Now, I'll see a issue. This is what we're going to hear. But later do I condemn you? Go and sin no more. Every time we go to any, instead of standing in the liberty in which Christ has made you free, but you always feel this accusation. Look at this sister. There's nothing right in the presence of Jesus Christ. She was set free. She was set free, and Jesus asked her, where are your accusers? Where are your accusers? Because in the presence of Jesus Christ, there are no accusers. Because in the presence of Jesus Christ, there are no accusers. There are no accusers.